If your midnight snacks are boring, you're not living like Princess Diana. She had a secret snack stash that will surprise you. Princess Diana wasn't just a royal icon, she was also a bit of a foodie. When she got peckish, she'd head to the palace kitchen and chat with the staff. But the coolest part? She had her own dedicated snack fridge. So what was in it? Think cold lamb cutlets and a mix of her favorite treats. Perfect for a late-night nibble. Her fridge was always stocked so she could grab a bite whenever she liked. And it wasn't just Diana with unique tastes. Kate Middleton loves a spicy curry, Meghan Markle has a go-to salad, and Queen Elizabeth had her scrambled eggs with 2 secret ingredients. Want more royal secrets? Smash that subscribe button and stay tuned for more. Don't forget to comment your favorite snack. Cheers!